He's got it started.
Can you see the tank?
Yeah, I see it. You see it?
Wait for Ryan to come back though.
Oh yeah,
Raj, fuck it, come on.
Raj. Kyle, okay, wait, guys, wait for a minute. Roger, come here. How many bullets you got?
Not too close there, Raj. Fuck, it's a shotgun there.
Não, mas faça aqui, tá fully pour back, né? Bem, isso é minha.
Settle down there, Raj.
I'm getting comfortable.
We're not getting him for a nap here.
You might as well get low, I guess.
Yeah, put this AC off.
Fucking tree.
I'm gonna miss, you know that.
No, shoot the fucking tank.
Hurry up before it blows up without you shooting it.
Shoot at the bottom of the tank. Aim at the bottom of the
Wait a
tank.
minute. I can't even see the tank.
Yeah. You can see the bottom of the fucking. See the little glare?
Yeah, fucking get off, shoot it.
it.
We could have stood back there and Joey could
I
have shit.
don't know, he should have.
Pull the trigger!
Did you just jerk the trigger on? Yeah.
It's hard to fucking keep it straight when you're drunk.
You gotta make it blow up. Pull it.
Fucking see sights.
You can see them fighting.
Calm down.
Holy fuck, that was awesome.
You got it, right?
Holy fuck, look at that, look at all
No, we gotta put the fire on first.
That's funny. That's fucking hilarious.
It took off that way.
Where's the tank?
You heard it go, dude.
Let's go look for the tank.
Fire.
That's fucking hilarious. But it's like, okay, well, we'll follow right here. Look, it's gonna be right here somewhere.
It went this way, Mike. You heard it go through it.
Oh, fuck, I heard it take off like a bullet.
It's like over here. Look at the line. Look at the line. You can see.
It's around here. Flash over here, Mike. We'll have to find it tomorrow.
Raj, I couldn't even fucking see it, he says, but you got it.
That was fucking awesome. I got it on tape too. Well, I don't know. I was shaking a lot there.
You guys looking for Mary or what?
No, when they're fucking look, you can see the line where it
Come
went.
this way. It's here somewhere.
You're like, what are you doing? Fucking falling.
Raj, I can't see it. I got it.